Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your videos pop inside Canva using sound effects and eye-catching animations. Whether you're creating content for social media, YouTube, or even just a fun family project, by the end of this video you'll have all the skills you need to turn a simple video into something really engaging. No advanced design background required. Let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you have your video file ready in Canva. You can either upload your own or choose one from Canva's library. Once your video is in the project, that's your starting point, the blank canvas before the magic happens. Now we're going to add graphics and text that move and dance along with your video. Animations are what give videos that dynamic, story-driven feel. Think of it like bringing static images to life, almost like flipping through the pages of a pop-up book where every item jumps or fades or glides into view. It's the difference between a slideshow and a real immersive video. To get started with animations, look to the left side menu and find the Elements tab. This is where all Canva's graphics and illustrations live. You can scroll or use the search bar to find something that fits the mood of your video. For example, if you're making a cooking tutorial, you might search for an animated spoon or a playful chef's hat. Once you spot the graphic you want, just click to add it to your video timeline. Here where the fun really begins. With the graphic selected, you'll notice an Animate button in the top bar. Go ahead and click on that. Canva will give you several animation styles to play with, maybe a fade, a tumble, or a pop. Take a moment to preview your favorites. Each animation gives your graphics a different personality, so choose the one that complements your content. Don't stress if it takes a little trial and error. Experimentation is part of the creative process. Next, let's show your words some love. Click on your text box in the video. You'll see the same Animate option appear above. Click there just like you did for the graphic and select an animation style for your text. Maybe you want your title to bounce in with energy or dissolve softly to set a calm tone. The right animation not only draws attention to your message, but also matches the mood you want to convey, kind of like choosing the right background music at a party. When your visuals are animated and looking great, let's add sound effects. Head over to the Audio tab on that left menu. There's a search bar where you can type in particular sound effects you're looking for, maybe whoosh, click, or applause. Canva's library has plenty to choose from. Once you find the right effect, simply drag and drop it onto your video timeline. You can place it exactly where you want the sound to play, lining it up with your animation for extra impact. Sometimes getting the timing just right takes a few tries, so don't worry if you need to slide the audio clip back and forth a bit. Now go ahead and hit play to preview your creation. Watch how the graphics and text flow, how the sound effects blend in, and make any little adjustments you need. When you're happy with the result, you're all set. And there you have it, your video now has sound effects and lively animations, all thanks to Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions or want to see more tips like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow Canva tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching.